Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys where you can find your YouTube 2025 music recap. You're probably thinking like, why is it already out? It's not even the end of the year. I actually don't know why they put it out, but you can see your music recap from December 2024 to February 2025. So you're just going to open up your YouTube profile. Here I have it on my profile. Also, you have to make sure that you do listen to a lot of songs on YouTube. If not, it's not going to show up on your profile. So go to the You page here on the bottom right corner, which I'm already on. And it says your music recap is here. Explore the music that made your season. You're going to then select it. It says look back on the artist and album you love from December to February. Then you're going to hit get your recap here. Oops, sorry. And then it says, what have you been listening to lately? Let's dig in. These were the tracks you had on repeat. The Vamps, Jack by the Vamps, L'amour de ma vie by Billie Eilish, Phil Collins, You'll Be in My Heart. I love that bass cover. Can't say that word. By Macklemore, I really like that song too. And then Martina McBride, My Valentine. You can also download it here. I already put it in my playlist, the recap. Just press the button that is there. I unfortunately already pressed it, so I can't really show you guys. So it says your top genres were 13% soundtrack, 11% pop music, and 3% rock. And then your top musical moods were chill, 25%, center, 23%, and sleepy, 18%. My top artist is Macklemore, and total listening time is 317 minutes. And it says, get your musical photo album and more only on the YouTube Music app, which I don't have. But if you want to, you can absolutely download that. To find that playlist, go to your playlist section, select view all, and it says December to February recap. And it will show you the top 10, I guess. Oh my gosh. Yep, I knew it. Alright, so a lot of, some musicals, some Taylor Swift. A lot of karaoke. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.